Hello, hello all. This is going to be your video introduction for both Monday and Tuesday of this week. So Monday, August 31st and Tuesday, September 1st. Happy going to Hogwarts Day. But we are going to be doing a review on Monday of Unit 1. There's a review game that I'll send out to you, and we'll go over how to submit that. And then on Tuesday, we're going to be doing our first ever Unit 1 exam. Some of you have already taken this on accident because I posted the wrong assignment for you. It's okay. We're going to do another attempt for you all so that you get another shot, and hopefully by including the lecture on Friday in today's review activity, you'll do better. For the test, you may use your notebooks, and only your notebooks. We'll talk about that in a little bit too. So as always, we go to our home page, Earth and Environmental Science. We're going to go to modules. This isn't published yet, or it will be once you see this video, but our day 1 is our unit review. If you click the assignment, you're going to do the review quizzes. You'll go to the assignment link, and it's going to bring up a game for you. It's going to say something like this, except yours isn't going to say anything. Right here, it'll say your name is and then question mark. You need to put your first and last name so that I know it is you. You'll click start, and you are going to play the game. Looks like this. And it's going to give you a lot of fun questions to help you review for your test. Okay. If you miss one, it'll show you what you miss. See? And you'll get instant feedback. Once you're done, you're going to take a screenshot with your name in it, and it shows you how to take a screenshot of the page. So you're going to take a screenshot of it with your name. Make sure your first and last name is in there and the date that you took it, which will automatically be in there if you have done it correctly. I will not be able to track your progress or grade if you did not put your first or last name and last name. Once you've completed the review, take a screenshot of your score and submit it to this assignment. Here is pictures. If you have a Dell, you're going to press the Windows logo key and the print screen together. If you have a Mac, it's Command-Shift-3. If you're on a Chromebook, it is Control and then the Windows key, the print screen together. Alright, so like always, you'll click the black Submit File. You'll go down to Browse, find the screenshot. Many of you have been selecting files that are not the correct thing, and I comment on grade your assignments and comment and say this is not the correct file, so make sure you're putting the correct file. So that's Monday. That's what you're going to do. If you're in class with me, we have a couple more review assignments. Make sure you know the scientific method, make sure you know the metric system, and make sure you know your prefixes and suffixes, latitude and longitude, and topographic maps. So here's our test. You're going to click it. It's going to say start on yours. For this quiz test, you can use your notebooks that you've been taking notes in. Canvas is wonderful because it tracks the log of the websites you visit while the quiz is open. If you have an electronic notebook, it's going to show me that. It will also show me if you're getting on Google to Google the questions. So be sure you're only using your notebook as a reference. I will know. And you are more than welcome to, and I highly suggest using your notebook, okay, as you take this test. Please still study because it'll help you with getting it done in a timely manner. So that's your test. Good luck. Like I said, I'll know if you're visiting Google to look up the questions, right? And this test is specific to the information you learned in my class. All right, guys. Have a great day, and I will see you when I see you. Goodbye.